To put analog clock on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add an analog clock widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. And then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find clock. Tap clock. Scroll down the screen. Now tap and hold the analog clock widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Tap anywhere outside the widget. If needed, you can do some customization for your analog clock. To do so, long tap the analog clock widget and then tap setting. Here you can change the clock style. Set the background color to black or white when the dark mode on your phone is on. Adjust the widget transparency level. And also decide whether you like to match the background color of the widget with the dark mode or not when the dark mode on your phone is on. To save the change, tap save button. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.